Everyday English listening. Let's listen to English every day because it helps us improve our listening skills, understand pronunciation better, learn new vocabulary, and become more confident in real conversations. Keep practicing. Live true to your dreams. In life, we all carry dreams deep within our hearts. Some are big, some small, some bold, and some secret. They might be about becoming an artist, helping others, traveling the world, starting a business, writing a book, or simply living a peaceful and happy life. No matter what your dream is, it is a part of who you are. To live true to your dreams means to stay connected with your deepest hopes and desires, to follow your passion, and to live in a way that reflects your true purpose. Too often, people give up on their dreams. They are told they are not good enough, smart enough, or strong enough. Society, fear, or doubt makes them believe that dreams are childish or unrealistic. But the truth is, dreams are what make life beautiful, meaningful, and worth living. Living true to your dreams is not always easy, but it is always worth it. 1. Your dreams. Define you. Dreams are more than wishes. They are part of your identity. They come from your heart, shaped by your experiences, your talents, and your values. When you honor your dreams, you honor yourself. Living true to your dreams means accepting who you are, what you love, and what makes your soul feel alive. For example, if you've always dreamed of becoming a writer, then writing is part of your soul. It doesn't matter if others don't understand it. What matters is that you do what feels true to you. When you ignore your dreams, you disconnect from your inner self. But when you chase them, you feel more alive, fulfilled, and authentic. 2. Dreams give life. Purpose. Many people go through life feeling lost or empty, not because they lack success or comfort, but because they are not living the life they truly want. They do what is expected, what is safe, or what others choose for them. But deep inside, they know something is missing. When you live true to your dreams, you give yourself a reason to wake up each day with purpose. You know you're working towards something meaningful. Even if the road is long or difficult, you feel joy in the journey. You're no longer just surviving. You're truly living. 3. The journey matters. More than the outcome, living true to your dreams doesn't always mean reaching a perfect result. Sometimes you may not become rich, famous, or widely known, but if you lived in a way that honored your passion, you have already succeeded. For instance, if your dream is to become a teacher and inspire students, you may not teach at the most famous school, but if you help even one student find hope or confidence, you are living your dream. The value of a dream is not in the destination, but in the heart you put into it. 4. Living true to your dreams requires courage. Following your dreams means taking risks. It means doing things that may scare you or make others question you. You might face failure, rejection, or criticism, but bravery is not the absence of fear. It is the decision to move forward in spite of it. Some of the most successful people in history were once told their dreams were impossible. 5. Your dream is your responsibility. No one else will chase your dream for you. It is your job to protect it, nurture it, and act on it. Others may support you, but they can't walk the path for you. If you wait for the perfect time, it may never come. If you wait for approval, you might wait forever. Start now. Take one step today, no matter how small. Read a book, take a class, practice your skill, share your ideas. Little steps become big results over time. The important thing is to keep moving toward your dream. 6. Inspiring others by living true to your dreams. When you live your truth and chase your dreams, you inspire others to do the same. You become a light for those who feel lost in darkness. Your courage gives them permission to be brave too. You may not even realize how much your story touches others, but it does. A child who sees you following your passion learns to believe in their own. A friend who sees you keep going after failure may find hope again. The world needs more people who are living their truth, not hiding from it. 7. Dreams evolve, and that's okay. Sometimes, as you grow and learn, your dreams may change. That doesn't mean you failed, it means you are evolving. The dream you had at age 10 might not be the same at age 30, and that's normal. The key is to keep listening to your heart and asking yourself, what truly matters to me now? Living true to your dreams doesn't mean being stuck on one idea forever. It means being true to your inner voice, wherever it leads you. 8. Be patient and kind to yourself. Dreams take time. You may not see results right away. There may be setbacks, detours, or moments when you feel like giving up. That's okay. What matters is that you don't quit. Keep learning, growing, and showing up. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Be proud of every step you take. And remember, the person you become while chasing your dream is just as important as the dream itself. Living true to your dreams is not just a motto or a feel-good phrase. It's a lifelong commitment to honoring your inner truth, even when the world pulls you in another direction. It's a promise you make to your soul. No matter how hard it gets, I will not forget who I am or what I want. Dreams are not random thoughts or passing wishes. They are the voice of your potential speaking from within. When you silence that voice, life feels heavy. But when you listen and act, you begin to live with joy, direction, and deep satisfaction. Let's explore more deeply how you can stay committed to your dreams, and why doing so is one of the most important decisions you'll ever make. 1. Listening to your inner voice. We live in a noisy world. Every day we are bombarded by opinions, expectations, trends, and pressure. Everyone seems to have an idea of how we should live, what job we should do, what success should look like, and what dreams are realistic. But only one voice truly knows what is right for you. Your own. Your inner voice is quiet, but wise. It doesn't shout. It gently reminds you of what matters. Living true to your dreams starts with taking time to slow down, reflect, and listen to that voice. Ask yourself, what excites me deeply? What do I think about when no one is watching? If fear wasn't in the way, what would I do with my life? Listening is the first brave step. The next is choosing to act on what you hear. 2. Saying no to what doesn't serve you to live your dreams. You have to make room for them. That means letting go of things that do not align with your path, habits, relationships, beliefs, and commitments that drain your energy or take you away from your goals. This can be uncomfortable. You might disappoint others. You might feel uncertain. But remember, saying no to what's wrong is saying yes to what's right. Every time you say no to a job you don't love, a path that feels fake, or a habit that steals your time, you are creating space for your dream to breathe and grow. 3. The power of small steps. Many people delay living their dreams because they feel overwhelmed. They think, it's too big. I'm not ready. I don't have time, money, or skills. But dreams don't happen overnight. They happen through small, consistent steps. 1 page of writing, 1 hour of practice, 1 new connection, 1 brave decision. You don't need to leap. You just need to move. Tiny actions, done daily, build momentum. Over time, small steps become big breakthroughs. 4. Failure is a teacher, not a stop sign. Failure is not the opposite of your dream. It's part of the path. Every great dreamer has failed, stumbled, and fallen. What sets them apart is that they got back up. When you fall, you learn. You grow stronger, smarter, and more focused. Living true to your dreams means embracing the lessons in every challenge. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be afraid of regret, of never trying at all. 5. Comparison is the thief of joy. One of the quickest ways to kill your dream is to compare it to someone else's. Social media, society, and even people close to us can make us feel like we're behind or not enough. But your dream is uniquely yours. Your timing is different. Your path is different. No one else has your exact story, heart, or mission. Instead of comparing, celebrate your own progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, is proof that you are honoring your calling. 6. You were born for a reason. You are not here by accident. You were born with a unique set of gifts, passions, and experiences that no one else has. Your dream is not just for you. It's also for the people you're meant to serve, help, inspire, or uplift. When you live true to your dreams, you give others permission to do the same. You light the way. You become a living example of what is possible. Think of the artists, teachers, entrepreneurs, parents, inventors, and leaders who changed the world. It all started with a dream and the courage to follow it. 7. Building a life that feels like you. Too often, people chase a life that looks successful but doesn't feel fulfilling. They follow other people's ideas of happiness and wonder why they feel empty. Living your dream isn't about being rich, famous, or perfect. It's about waking up each day with a sense of joy, alignment, and peace. It's about building a life that reflects your true self. This could be a quiet life of creating art, a meaningful job that helps others, or a business that gives you freedom. Whatever it is, let it reflect your soul, not someone else's opinion. 8. Creating daily habits that support your dreams. Dreams don't survive on motivation alone. They need structure. If you truly want to live your dream, build daily habits that support it. Set a clear goal for the week. Wake up early and use quiet hours to work on your dream. Limit distractions and protect your focus. Surround yourself with people who support your journey. Celebrate progress and reflect. Often, dreams are like gardens. They need daily care, even if just for a few minutes. 9. Your dream evolves with you. As you grow, your dreams may change. That's not failure, it's evolution. What mattered to you at 18 might be different at 28 or 48. That's beautiful. The key is to always stay in tune with yourself. If your dream shifts, listen. Be flexible. Don't cling to an old version of your dream out of fear. Allow yourself to grow into new visions. Remember, living true to your dreams means living true to who you are today, not who you used to be. 10. Never stop dreaming. No matter where you are in life, young or old, ahead or behind, it's never too late to dream. Some people find their true calling at 15, others at 50. Some dreams are planted early, others bloom later. What matters is that you never stop dreaming, because as long as you dream, you're alive. You have something to look forward to, something to strive for. And as long as you're alive, your dream is possible. Final message. Living true to your dreams is one of the most courageous acts you can ever do. It is not selfish. It is not unrealistic. It is sacred. You have one life, one voice, one dream. Don't waste it living someone else's version of success. The world needs your passion, your voice, your spark. So go. Live boldly. Stay true. Dream bravely. Live true to your dreams, always. To live true to your dreams is to live with honesty, passion, and purpose. It is to say, this is who I am, and this is what I believe in. It is to live each day in alignment with your heart, even when the path is uncertain. Life is too short to live someone else's dream. Your life is a gift, and your dreams are a big part of that gift. Don't hide them, don't delay them, and never give up on them. Live boldly, live honestly, live true to your dreams.